I don't trust the spring anymore. You can see snow arrived even in... I cannot. Our God gave birth. Hello everyone, it's Sveba and this is a new video from my life in a Siberian village. Today it's so sunny, so warm, it's just -7. So it's amazing, spring is coming. Today we have a lot of things to do because it's the warmest day. The most of them we should do outside finally. You know, village life, not just fixing, renovating inside of the house like it was in -30. Like this. Hope spring will stay with us. Not tomorrow we will see again -30. But anyway, we have a lot of things to do. As I said, let's go. What is this? Look. Wait. What is this? And yesterday we let water for our goats here. And let's see if it's frozen. No, it's not frozen. Spring is coming. But unfortunately, you know, our goats, they're doing poops in their food, in their water. You know, very, very cute. And who knows what will happen tomorrow? Maybe it will be so cold. So I took all possible packages. We will take today all this hay, prepare. Also, I want to clean cages of our rabbits because, you know, in winter we didn't clean it because like this it's warmer and start to be high. So I decided to remove all their dirty hay and put new one. 2 goats also and 2 chickens like this. And also we should prepare some stock of hay for future. You know, I don't trust the spring anymore. Oh my God, look how many packages we took. I did not even count. 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14. It looks like 14 if there is no something under it. It was so hard to clean their cages. Now there is new hay. Huh? What do you think? The problem is, as you can see, snow arrived even inside of this cage. I don't know how.
He's eating the wood.
Really? Yes, you see what rabbits they do, and you say let them just like this run, like this. You will not see them next day. And now I think that this water comes on him, and I hope he will not feel cold after. I don't know how the snow arrived there. We finished with rabbits. Oi, there is someone small. And we should throw now all this dirty hay like this in packages, you know. And like this it looks now. And like this it looks now, our hay packages. And everyone is happy. Let's go to the next routine. You know. Now, of course, walking with dogs. Like this it looks. And you know, I can't anymore running. But No one asks me if I want, I can or not. Умка! Кускусечка! Умка! Умка! They always sit there with this dog and they want to be friends with this. Умка, умка, умка! Look at Kuskusa.
Huh?
Kuskus funny. It's funny.
It's so funny, Couscous. Something dirty, yeah? Look at the fish.
Now we are going to shop to buy bread for our farm animals and something to eat for us. We are thinking to buy liver. For a long time we didn't eat it. And you know, because it's spring, it's so easy to go to shop. Plus, -7, this is a whole summer already. You know, it's amazing and blue sky like this. I just wish all winter was like this. Then you will have seasons, like 4 seasons. You still have winter, you still have snow, but you don't just survive this time. Also, it was interesting questions I read in comments about what do I wear when it's so cold, like when it's -30, for example. But me, I wear always the same. It's -30 or -7. I prefer to wear a lot. I'll show you right from here. You will see how many hoodies. wait. Sometimes it's +1 more when it's -30. So I wear one thermo, like this clothes what's tied to you and it's like making you feel hot. One this, under it one other t-shirt. After you wear like this one hoodie. This is so warm, this material. I didn't think like this, but it's so warm. After I wear like this material, you know, this is too so warm. So it's already how much? 4? Yes, and after jacket. And also, if it's much colder, I wear one more hoodie, some so fat, super fat hoodie, and it's still cold. On my legs, I wear 2 underpants. I don't remember how it's called in English. In Russian, it's called kalgotki. Here I will write this name. And I wear 2 of them, plus I wear 1 pants, and if it's so cold, I wear second pants. Then more clothes you wear, then obviously it's better. I hope it was helpful. If you will come to Siberia in the winter, good luck. Show us what we bought. A lot of bread.
Piece of bread.
Yes. And
50 kilograms
of bones for chickens. For dogs. And we bought something interesting like this from pig. It looks like this. Look how is it? Meat and fat, and like this it will be so delicious. Even me, I would like to eat it. But you know, we will cut them small pieces because it was expensive. Liver, like this delicious. Let's try it. Very warm. So delicious. Now we are coming back to our kitchen renovation, and first of all we should put these corners, as you remember, if you remember. And also someone asked that here it was this hole to go to underground. Yes, there is. We still just didn't cut it. We let some signs somewhere. Yes, here. How we should cut it, and also we will do it today to bring back our door. And like this. Let's start. And like this it looks. We fixed even this hard place. Nice. So now there also it looks like this, beautiful, nice. And now we want to paint this cabinet. We wanted to do this color, and I still think we can do this.
No,
We can mix white and do like this. What? He doesn't want to take this hard work. So that's why we will paint it just white and see how it will look like this. Decided to remove doors and paint them here on table, and let's start. We will paint it with normal table. With normal paint, and also here our animals, they will not arrive to it. Why for some reason it looks strange. Also, look how much space we are wasting. So I think we should cut this piece. I already draw plan, and and move it there, so we will have some plus 20 centimeters. Let's do that. Oh.
How we're supposed to cut?
How? Here it was some cut somehow.
I was young then. Now I'm old already. 28 and more.
That's right. So great plan. Look, 20 centimeters of room is just wasted. Oh. And look at this. Look at this. Look at this. A whole new kitchen. Now we have bigger space. That's amazing. Oh my god, I'm shocked. I'm the happiest person now. We come to our bar to give food to our animals, and we see that our god gave birth. I become a grandmother. She gave one goat. And we don't know what to do, like how to help him. We read that we should make him warm and dry. We cleaned him like with some tissue. And I don't know. I don't know what to do. He's so cute, you hear it? And she's talking to him, she's worrying about him. Oh my god, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do, even if I will read them when this video will be shared. I hope everything will be alright. Look at this! Look at this! I don't know what to do. What to do? Take milk from her, how to give him. Now it's 11 at night. 11 at night. I don't know where to take this bottle to give like to babies milk. Or she will give him by herself. Moch, what are you doing? What are you doing to my jacket? He wants to run. What is his father, huh? Mochka? Look how she's talking to him. I just wish everything will be alright. I don't know how he will give milk. He's small. Look at he's small. Готенько. He's all wet. We should clean. There is this.
Yes, let.
What to do?
Let it.
We shouldn't remove it.
It's all
He's all wet. We should dry him more. Готенько, fix what to do with your child? What to do with your child? Look at him. Small. We are thinking to take him home, but what if he needs to stay with his mother? We don't know what to do. Like, what to do? He's shaking. Let's go take some pillow or something. Look how he is. Ну, Готенька, Готя. I ran home to take some tissue, some apple, some more vitamins. I don't know what to do. Like, I want to cry. Please, God, help us to save this child. I don't know. I hope that I don't know. The problem is like our first baby goat. I don't know what to do and how to help him. So let's just try to do our best and hope. Oh my God. One girl from the village will give us a bottle, and she said take milk from Gotya and I will bring bottle. So now we should take milk. Question how? Oh my god, but we should learn, we should start learning. Готя, 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 Готя. And look what we got.
For some 30 minutes.
Yes, but for some reason one of her this what she gives milk, it didn't give milk. Like one it give and second didn't give. It's normal or not? It was like so hard. I think I don't know what I think. And it will be enough for this baby to drink. Oh, we have bottle. Oh my god, mission is impossible. Let's go try to give him.
Oh.
Oh.
Ja, va?
I want to cry. I am grandmother. No, maybe it should be upside down.
You should open his mouth.
Yes, yes. Uh-huh. He doesn't move nothing. I think he should lay or something. He's drinking?
No.
Try to take his head up for its vent. Maybe he will taste it, he will understand. Now we decided to put him like this little bit to heat himself. I don't know if he will become better or not. But to be honest, he doesn't look healthy, like he's still lame. No, honey. It feels like he's warmer. Let's try to give him again. Drinking. Drinking. Drink, baby. Drink, small. Drinking. It means he was just cold.
Yes, he's drinking.
Decided to take him home to make him warm little bit, to give him milk, and after we will see what we will do. That's all. We took him with us to our bedroom. Here is near this wall of heater. He will be warm, and we will let him like this now to heat, and after we will try to give him milk again because he feels like he's cold. Your mother is there. I don't think it's a good idea to remove him from mother, but this girl who brought us this bottle, she said like this, and everywhere we read they say take him home to heat him little bit. Look, he's just shaking, my legs. You will be hot. He's shaking.
Just let him.
He's
give
so
him some time.
shaking. Look, we just needed to take him home and heat him good because now look, he's already staying. We already drink a little bit of this bottle at least. Yes. And he start to move with his tail, like, because we read if his tail is down, it means something is wrong, but it's not. And he already did a lot of poops. Small baby. You will be alright. You just needed hot house. And we were trying there to put him in this hay. Now we understood what he needed. Then let's eat little bit. Let's eat. Little bit more. Wait. He start to walk. Look. Come here. Good. It's girl or boy even?
No.
I think it's boy.
He's walking.
Ничего, it's okay. You can walk. And now, by the way, it's 3 in the morning. Tomorrow we are going to Kemerovo town. You know, at 6 in the morning we should wake up. And we don't know how to let him and where, bring him back to his mother or let him just here. I don't know. But he's staying. He's staying. You want little bit milk? Little bit. Little bit. Не хочешь? Okay. You don't want. You don't want. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.